Hi everyone, if your Google Chrome is not syncing properly, bookmarks, password or extension, don't worry, I will show you a quick and easy method to fix Chrome sync issue in just a couple of minutes. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first, make sure you are signed in with your correct Google account. Open Google Chrome, click your profile icon at the top right and check if it is sync is on. So here you can check this way. You just need to click over here and you will able to see in here sync is on, as you can see it. If not, click turn on sync and sign in with your Google account. Then it's still not syncing, try resetting Google Chrome sync. You just need to go to the Chrome, then go to the setting, and after this one you just need to go to the syncing option like sync setup. So here you can see, you can search it here like this way. After this one, sync as Y and C uppercase S T E, you have set up. So you just need to be hit enter. So there's a problem, so now you just need to be sent in here and you are already entered in that place. So you just need to be scroll down and click manage what you sync. So you just need to be scroll down and find it out, manage with your sync. Here you can see, and then you just need to be turn it off, then turn it back on. This often fix your stuck issues or stuck sync. If it is still not working, then clear your browser cache. Click the three dots, more tools, clear browsing data. And it is so much easy, you can do it yourself. Then restart Chrome and check it if sync works. Lastly, make sure Chrome is up to date. Like click the three dots, help Google Chrome. Like you just need to see about Chrome and you will find out that is it updated one or not. If it is automatically checked for the updates, add an auto like outdated version can cause sync problem too. And that's it, a quick way to fix Google Chrome sync issue. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and let me know in the comments what Chrome issue should I cover next. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.